Welcome back. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo has charged Congress of dividing people on lines of religion. He said Congress is trying to provoke people by fueling Delhi church attack issue. Congress had charged BJP minority MLAs for being silent on recent attack on churches in Delhi. BJP MLA Lobo has made a letter to PM Modi demanding immediate probe in Delhi church attack case.
It's a political war of words between the minority MLAs in the Congress and the BJP. Agnello Fernandez on Monday has alleged that minority MLAs of BJP in Goa are silent on the issue, to which Michael Lobo replied on Tuesday.
We also condemn the deafening silence of these Catholic MLAs of the BJP and those who are supporting the government now. It is no secret that these MLAs were elected with the tacit support of the Catholic people in Goa.
Shri Agnello Fernandez, ex-MLA of Kalangut, and Mr. Kautankar, the spokesperson of Congress, has taken a press in Panjim that Catholic MLA je BJP na te ugi hamnan on the recent attacks on the churches in Delhi. Maka dista ye khunय तरी politicize करूंक सोदता, and they are trying to divide the people by all these statements.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
A calf was found killed by a leopard at Paliem in Pernem on Monday night. Locals suspect that a leopard attacked the calf. Locals have demanded to trace and trap the wildcat as they fear the animal could attack humans in the locality too.
Villagers of Paliem were shocked after they found a calf of Brijesh Parab was killed in the shade. People got panicked and feared attack by a tiger. The calf was tied to a rope inside the shade. They say the leopard could have travelled through the nearby jungle.
वाघाच्या लागून आमकां गोरवांचो असो भय आसा की ती आनी लोकांची आसा ती मारू शकता तो, आनी आमचे काजी सध्या आता लागलेले आसात. काजी लोक आता सदीच वयतात, काजी बेनूक वयता, आता एचपाक वयतले सगळे. तांकां लोकांकय भय आसा, एक मनीस एकटो वयता वयर, त्या वाघा पासून तांकांय भय आसा. तेचेर फॉरेस्टान बेगीन आनी एक्शन घेवपाचें आनी पिंजरो तरी एक हाडून ताका धरून ह्या करपाचो व्हरपाचो.
It's a dense kaju cultivation area. People move on the hillocks in the season to collect kajus. They fear that the wildcat could attack the humans too. They have demanded that the wild animals has to be traced and trapped immediately. However, villagers of Paliem inspected the paw marks of the animals and claimed that the marks could be of a leopard. Reporter Vilas Arulkar for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.